Good morning, YouTube. So some of you or somebody out there may be wondering, when should you replace your exhaust system? Well, there is no definitive answer on that, at least in South Jersey and probably other parts of the world. When you get vibrations in your exhaust systems or rattles or exhaust leaks, then it would become time to service. So we're doing an inspection on a rattling exhaust system with 120,000 miles on it. Shields rattling. So in some places and some shops, the only thing they can do is replace everything unless it's bolt-ons in certain areas. So the question is, when a part fails, service that part. There is no definitive answer on when. But we're seeing at least 10 years on average before components of the exhaust system or pieces of the exhaust system are starting to fail, and that includes catalytic converters as well, which are part of your exhaust system. You have exhaust manifolds, gaskets, flex pipes, oxygen sensors, resonators, varitone exhaust systems. So much technology in your exhaust system today. So there may be other parts of it, that are failing, and your check engine light is incorporated in its diagnostic strategy for a check engine light, because there is delicate sensors and feedback sensors and EGTs and all kinds of stuff today. So there's no real definitive answer on that. When your exhaust is rattling or loud and your engine light illuminates, take it to the shop and have it checked out so you can see what's going on. Prime example. When something fails and it becomes loud, bring it in. But and that also goes for stolen catalytic converters today. If you have a stolen catalytic converter, your exhaust system is going to be loud. Thanks for watching.